videos. And now here's human music.
Well, I am here patiently waiting on everybody. I did not get 1 hour of sleep last night. Not 30 minutes, not 10, nothing. I didn't sleep at all. I literally laid in bed all night. No clue why. Could not sleep whatsoever. So I am here early today. Don't have a clue what we're gonna do, but well, hopefully they get here sooner than later. Still waiting. It's not Sunday, guys. It's Tuesday. I'm the only one. 10 minutes to go. So, I'm just going to go ahead and nickname this vlog the I'm incredibly tired vlog, the I spilled tea everywhere vlog, or the I ate like I had no sense about me vlog. Literally, I had like, shoot, 2 things of ramen noodles, 3 hamburgers, 2 pieces of pizza, a caramel frappe, and a Frosty. Pretty sure I'm going to need to take a cleanse after this. So I have 3 weeks before camp has officially started. What's going to happen? Tents get finished, tent floors, robes. Once all that's done, we'll start furnishing all those with like beds, tables, things like that. I have 3 foreign, basically exchange work program guys coming to work with me. 2 from Mexico, 1 from the Dominican Republic. They're not going to be here for at least 2 weeks. 1 will get here in 2 weeks. The other's 3. So one of the guys actually fell out. Something with his flights could be arranged. Down to 3 guys and me. Could be a problem, could be just fine and dandy, we will see. This vlog is basically going to get more and more sped up as we get closer to June. So much more stuff is going to be vloggable or appealing once camp starts.
Buddy, come here. Come here, little guy. Holy shit. He's a little aggressive.
Mama don't hear me.
What's your deal?